Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to, I don't think I've done this once, but we're going to be unboxing an IPSY box. I know I never thought this day would come, but here we are. We're going to be jumping into, this is technically the July box. So if you want to see all of the fun items inside of my July IPSY box, talk through the products I used today because I didn't use all of them, and I'll tell you why. Make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. That's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, see what's inside, stay tuned. Okay, so first it is July 2020. There is a theme card. Take a break. Airplane mode your phone. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize, whether it's in the living room dance party or a bold lipstick. Take a break from your ordinary. Let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Hashtag IPSY take a break. That's kind of cute. I went vampy and bold lip today, so I think we are right on brand. The little bag, obviously it's IPSY. You get an IPSY GLAM bag. Is Wanderlust, you know, the desire to travel, which I am really all about right now because quarantine is getting to me. I want to leave. I want to go do things. I mean, I live in Florida and it's beautiful out and I feel like I'm on vacation, but also I've been stuck home for 9 months. So I canceled a trip home to New York. I would like to be able to get out in the world again. All right, so first item out of the box is the Ahava Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer for Normal to Dry Skin. It is a 2.5 fluid ounces, and I couldn't find a price for this online, but the 0.5 ounce was $10, so scale that up. It's about $40 to $50 value. Honestly, I have more oily to combo skin, so normal to dry is not something I will ever use, so I'll be dropping that in an upcoming giveaway. Next, I have the Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. It is a hydrating and glow boosting serum. This is, and I'm going to verify, K-Beauty. Yes, this is a K-Beauty product. So it is a hydrating serum. It is really cute, and I cannot wait to try it out. However, I have said this in many different unboxings. On these boxes, it has a little sign right here of an open jar that says this will expire 6 months after you open it. I have like 13 open serums, so opening another one would be very irresponsible. So instead, this is going to go into my bathroom. I will be using this eventually, but not until I'm ready for a new serum. So rather than being wasteful, I'm not going to use it. Also, with all skincare, it will take you 28 to 60 days to really see if it's working. So I could have put it on and told you, oh my God, I love this, but it would not have been honest or authentic because honestly, you won't know if it's doing anything until you give it that dedicated 28 to 60 days to really give it a chance to work. And this product retails for $39. Next, I do have the product that I did not use in my brows today, but it is the Billion Dollar Brows Brow Butter in Taupe. The reason I didn't do it today is honestly I had to film a really important video before this, and I was not about to test a brow pomade because I notoriously do not like brow pomades, but this will be going front and center, ready for me to try it out in an upcoming video. Stay tuned for that. I stuck to my Brow Bar by Rima brow powders for today, just because it was definitely a lot faster, easier, and I like how my brows look. So the other video I filmed, which check out my Instagram, Brett Harris Beauty, to see that coming very shortly, but yeah, you'll see. They had to look perfect. I'm a perfectionist. Took me 2.5 hours to do my makeup today. Let's be real. Next, from IPSY, this is the Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. I've been using this for a few weeks now, so even though my IPSY came late, my fabulous friend Jadi G did give me one because she had extra. So the new one is going in an upcoming giveaway because I've been using this one. It actually is really nice for boosting glow and hydration underneath makeup. I do not recommend using it on top of makeup because argan oil is an oil. It will break down your foundation. So this is something I used before my makeup. I did not spray it as like a finishing spray. I used the Mana Kadar Hydrating Face Mist to like set everything today, which I unboxed in the AIA Beauty Bundle, which I will link up here. And I love this because it's just that like fresh, hydrating, glowy, dewy set. I do enjoy this one as well, but this is only under makeup, whereas that one I can use on top of, underneath, during the process. Every now and then I'll just spray, grab my sponge, and just start, you know, touching up a little bit. And the last item is from Il Makiage. It is the Eye on the Prize Color Boss Eyeshadow. I use this. It is the color on my lids today. I did also use it as a highlight, which honestly, like I'm looking glowy dewy. I'm not looking highlighted. So I'm going to take a little bit more just so you can really see that high shine on the cheek. I think this is stunning. And I like that it's a nice big pan because you can use it as a highlighter. When it's packed on, it is the bronze shade on my eyeshadow right now. So it really does just give you that really ethereal glow if you use a nice fluffy brush to do it. I did try it with my Fenty brush, which is a little bit more densely packed, to really like cup the cheek. And I found I didn't like how it applied with that one as much. I definitely preferred a fluffy brush. So it is also my brow bone highlight today, and it was my inner corner, and then I layered something else on top because it wasn't quite bright enough. But like, I love how it looks on the skin. And the only thing I find it needs after I put it on is just to take my sponge and pat over it, because eyeshadows can tend to accentuate texture when you use them as a highlighter. And the way to kind of keep that down is mist yourself with a little setting spray, pat it with your sponge, and you will look flawless. So all in all, this brush, it's been a long morning. This box is a $25 purchase, and the retail value is $120 or more. I found that this was, like, I had to Google, and some prices I had to, like, try and figure out. It was definitely in that $120 value moment. So it is definitely a good box as far as I am concerned, because again, even just the two products that I've already liked, definitely worth that value for me. Can't wait to try this, like above and beyond everything else. The Glow Pill is, like, I love K-Beauty, I like skincare, and I love trying new serums. So that's definitely another thing that I'm going to play with. And I've been hearing about the brand Awake for a while now, and I've yet to, like, try anything from them. So I'm really excited to try them. So the moment of truth is going to be whether or not we continue to do this. Because you guys know I've been a Boxy channel for a very long time. How do you feel about unboxing IPSY? How do you feel about comparing the two? Actually, that's a good video idea. What if we also compared it to this month's box? Great, I'm going to do that. Let me talk to you guys about this month's Boxycharm box. Okay, so I just pulled up my base box so that I know exactly what was in it. It had in it the Ace Beauty Blush Palette, which absolutely in love with. If you missed my monthly favorites, which I will link up here, this and the Bronze Palette, because I do have both, are hands down staples in my routine. I used both of them today. The 111 Skin Pollution Booster, I'm obsessed with. I have basically been raving about it since the second I got it. The Ola Liquid Lipstick, I have not used since the video. Good, not great. The Hourglass Arch Powder Pencil is right over here. I didn't use it today, so it's a product that I like. I don't love brow pencils. And then the Stella Under Eye Masks. So if I had to look at the 5 items side by side, I would say that I got a better value this month out of my Boxycharm box, just because that serum and this blush palette are like godsends. That being said, if I was to look at all of the products in front of me, the one I think I liked the most was the Il Makiage shadow. Like, I have a palette right here. I love Il Makiage shadows. I think they are an amazing quality. I think the formula is beautiful, and all in all, it is a magnificent product. That being said, if I look at the box as a whole, Boxycharm wins. If I look at specific products, what did I like the most? I'm going to have to give it to IPSY because of the Il Makiage shadow. But that being said, I love them both, and I think, now that I took a moment to think about, like, IPSY versus Boxycharm, what do I like more? Which one do I think I like? I want to do this every month. So I'm going to be coming back to you guys next month. Well, when you guys see this is the 31st. So tomorrow in August, we're going to be doing our normal Boxycharm unboxings. We're going to be doing our normal IPSY unboxings because I think I'm going to continue to unbox these. In addition, I think every month I'm going to do a video comparing the two. What is worth your money? What is a better value? And if you can't do both, what do you want to do? Because I just had a subscriber DM me on Instagram asking me, she has to cancel one of her subscriptions, base or premium. Which one do you think is better? And I've been thinking, like, which subscription do I like more? And every month is different. Some months I like the premium box more. Some months I like the base box more. And it's never like the same 2 months in a row just because of the products I find that I end up gravitating towards. So I think this is going to be fun for us to kind of take that moment to think about what we're getting and actually think, what do we like and what don't we? Anyway, Let me know down below, of the products you saw in my IPSY box today, what do you think is the most exciting? Comparing it to my Boxycharm box of the month, which I'll link up there, what do you think was better? And what product would you pick as the best of them all? Thank you guys so much for watching, as always, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!